Hi there, I'm Gary van Heerden. Welcome to this video. You obviously found this video because you're interested in making money online and you've come to the right place. This might just be the most important video you've ever watched. So I want you to stick with me right through this video, right to the end, because at the end I'm going to share with you an incredible platform that is built for just ordinary people like you and me to make substantial income on a monthly basis. Okay, it's a simple plug and play system, and I call it the golden nugget. Okay, I've been doing this for 7 years. I've tried all kinds of different ways. I've spent thousands of rand, and I know what works, and this definitely works. So stick with me. I'm also going to give you a bonus at the end of this video just for watching the video, so you can download a bonus after you've watched this video. But to start off with, we're just going to go through a few basic making money online systems, the pros and the cons, just to update you and give you a bit of information on that, and then I'll share that big golden nugget with you. So let's hit it.
Okay, so these are the three most popular ways of making money online that are advertised by far, these three. So we're going to just look at all three of them quickly and just give you a rundown of them. So let's chat about dropshipping. Okay, so you become a dropshipper. That's you at the top there. And what you do is you find a merchant, such as if you're doing overseas Amazon, or local you're doing Take-A-Lot. You find a product on the merchant place, and you then take that product and you promote that product. Mainly it's physical products which need to be delivered, so you have to add a markup onto that product and then you promote it to a customer. Okay, so if the customer buys, then you make a very small percentage at the top that you've added on. The rest then gets paid to the merchant. So you go back to the merchant, you use the customer's details as a delivery address, you pay them the full price for the product, and you take your small percentage of it. Then the merchant will then actually deliver it directly to the customer. So all you're doing is you middle agent, and you're taking a commission off the top. Okay, now there are problems when it comes to drop shipping. The markup is very, very small. Okay, so even if you're an affiliate, I know Amazon pay something on average like 3% when you sell something for them. So the markup is very small. Then you're competing with the supplier. So if you're selling something for Take-A-Lot for 250 rand and you add 30 rand onto it, and you're selling for 280, you're selling for a higher price. People are very savvy these days, and they do reviews and they go check out prices, and they would rather go straight to the merchant and buy it from them instead of paying more through you. So that becomes a problem. So you're competing with the supplier. Delivery takes a long time. I know for Amazon it's 6 weeks overseas. If you local, it's only 3 days, but still it's a waiting game. People then have to wait for their product to arrive. Then you're also reliant on the merchant's stock. So if the merchant doesn't have stock at that time and you've sold the product, then you have to give all the money back, and it becomes pretty much of a mission. So that's a very big negative as well. And then you must offer support and queries, because you're selling the product. If the customer buys through you and they want to send the product back, or if there's a problem, it arrives broken or something like that, you got to handle all the support and all the queries, which can become an absolute nightmare. So dropshipping is not really recommended. Okay, let's look at surveys. So a lot of companies join a survey platform, and you can do surveys. That's you. So you apply to a survey platform to do surveys. What happens is big companies, corporate companies, they send the survey company different surveys, and then the survey company will look for people to do the surveys and then pay you for it. Problem is the survey company takes most of the money that the company pays them to do the survey, and they give you a little bit on the top, and you're the one doing all the work. Okay, so it's a problem because the fee is very small. You need a hell of a lot of volume to actually make good money. You're going to have to do a lot of surveys in the day, and of course the survey sites, they charge you a fee to join anyway, so you end up having to pay out money before you even start making money, and then it takes you a while to make that money back as well. And the completed time versus payment, you basically may as well work for a boss, because you're sitting and it's taking time for you to complete the survey, to get paid. So you may as well just sit and work and do a normal works day and then get paid for that as well. And then also South Africa limited access. The big companies like Coca-Cola and that who want surveys rather look for the bigger nations. We're a third world country, so not many companies are looking for our surveys. So we are very limited to what we can actually do. Surveys to me is also a no-no. Then look at affiliate marketing. Now affiliate marketing, you become an affiliate, and to me this is the easiest way and the best way to make money online is to become an affiliate market, because it's got many more positives and very few, if any, negatives. So you become an affiliate for a merchant, okay, and what you do is you take a product from the merchant and then you promote that product, okay. The customer then buys the product directly from the merchant, okay, and the merchant then pays you percentage, okay. Normally it's between 50 and 75%, so the percentage is very high that these merchants will pay affiliate marketers. Okay, so there's huge positives in being an affiliate marketer. Okay, so your commissions are very high. Okay, 50 to 75% is basically your commissions that you get from selling the product. Products are mainly digital. You're mainly selling products that are digital, so there's immediate gratification from your customer. They download it immediately and it's in their position straight away. They don't have to wait for delivery or anything. It's immediately delivered by download. Then there are sales funnels, which means more sales. So a sales funnel is when the merchant has a sales funnel. So the first product you buy at quite a lower price, and then they offer something higher on that same product. They offer something like an upgrade, something that adds value to that product, and it can go down into the third funnel and the fourth funnel. So you can actually make about 4 sales from one per customer coming through the sales funnel, which is huge. Okay, and that's where the big money is. Okay, so then the support and delivery is completely taken care of. The merchants offer their own sales pages. You're just sending the customer to them. So they do all the selling for you. They do all the support tickets. They look after the client because it's their product and they take care of everything. You don't have to do anything. All you have done is send the customer there, sold the product, and taken your big commission. And a lot of the products are recurring. So in other words, you sell once and it's on a monthly recurring basis. So once you sell, you get a monthly retainer every month. So as you build it, as you go, it gets bigger and bigger. So affiliate marketing, there's a lot of automation involved, which is brilliant, because once you've done the work, it's done. You've built your little engine, it's there, and it works automation for you. Okay, so what do we look for when we do affiliate marketing? We look at a good commission structure. Make sure that they're giving you at least 50%, preferably 75% on that product that you're going to market for the merchant. Make sure it's a nice high quality product, and then make sure there's a high quality sales system in place and a funnel. So when people go there, you know that these guys are going to sell the product professionally. They've got everything in place, and if the customer buys more and they can work through down the funnel, you get paid more. Okay, and then just make sure also that reputable developers and they have a track record. Okay, and then obviously the right market. So affiliate marketing for me is the way to go, definitely. Okay, which brings me to the platform that I want to send you to, and I want to give you the link to at the end of this video. I want you to go have a look at this platform. It's really good. This is the gold nugget I've been talking about, and this platform is incredible. Okay, so it's created for ordinary people who have no experience. Okay, it's also created for the people who with experience, who benefit from this platform, but you don't have to have any experience at all in anything. Built for the ordinary person on the street to make money off. It's a completely plug and play system. It's very simple to set up. It takes about 30 minutes to set up your little automated engine, and then you can go from there and set up many more after that. So it's quick to set up. It's automated. This platform has high quality sales funnels. Okay, so everything I said to you, that's what you need to look at in a product. This platform's got everything. And you can also create your own funnels with a click of a button. So you can continuously create sales funnels yourself by just clicking on a few buttons on the platform. It's really good. They also provide quality training with step-by-step videos if you need it. As I said, it's a very easy system, so you probably won't need the training. Maybe look at the training for driving traffic and getting the customers. They do all the series and step-by-step videos on that, which is brilliant. And then this platform is designed for people to make a full-time income online. It's not just a once-off thing. It's something that they've built where ordinary people can make a full-time income online, and I'm sure that would be your aim. Very interestingly, it's designed around the Netflix algorithm of recurring income. Apparently there was a guy that used to work for Netflix that's joined this platform, that's helped them develop this platform, and there's a certain algorithm they use, and it's in this platform, and it's available to you to use through this platform. Then of course your market, and I call it the big five. Your market's not ordinary little countries. You're looking at the big boys, the guys with the money, who will spend the money. So USA, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. These are the guys with the money, and these are your customers that you will be selling to. So this is a really, really good platform. Guys really need to check it out. It's very new, and it's on a level that I've never seen before, and it's something that you really need to take a look at. Okay, so click the link at the bottom of this video, and to get access to the platform, and also my surprise bonus gift that you can download if you want to. I'm sure you would want to, because it's a really nice gift. So click on the link at the bottom and go and check out this platform. And guys, all I can say is check it out, take action, and the success will be yours.